Stop popping the champagne because you signed a contract for $100,000 a year. Put the bottle down. You are celebrating a delusion. For decades, 6 figures was the golden ticket. It was the finish line where you could stop running, buy the house, get the dog, and relax. But here is the reality check that nobody in HR or your family wants to tell you. In 2026, earning $100,000 doesn't make you rich. It barely keeps you warm. If you are living in a major city, making $100K today puts you exactly where a factory worker was in 1980. You aren't thriving. You are subsisting. You are one bad medical bill or one layoff away from zero. The villain here isn't just inflation, it's nostalgia. You are operating on a financial map drawn by your parents in 1990. In the next few minutes, I'm going to prove to you that $100K is the new poverty line for the ambitious. And if you don't adjust your target immediately, you are walking off a cliff. Let's change your vocabulary. The system wants you to view a salary as a reward. The predator views income as ammunition. $100,000 is safe. It allows for a nice apartment, a leased BMW, and a couple of vacations. It's the I made it number. Dollar is administrative maintenance. It is the bare minimum cost required to run the business of you incorporated without going into debt. It is not profit. It is operating expense, OPEX. The concept you need to imprint on your brain is purchasing power parity, PPP. The government prints money, which dilutes the value of every dollar in your pocket. Housing costs have tripled, education costs have quadrupled, groceries are up 40%. Yet, the psychological benchmark of $100K hasn't moved. If you think earning $100K makes you a high earner, you are the perfect victim for the modern economy. You are docile, you pay your taxes, and you slowly go broke while looking successful. $100K is not wealth. $100K is the new minimum wage for dignity. Let's stop arguing with feelings and look at the math. The numbers are going to insult your intelligence, but you need to see this. Let's take that $100,000 salary in 2026. Total income equals $100,000 USD. First, the government takes its cut. Federal, state, FICA. Taxes approximately 30%, amounted to a negative $30,000. Net salary is $70,000 per year, approximately $5,833 per month. Now let's consider the middle-class lifestyle you were promised. Rent, mortgage, city average, minus $2,800, you've lost 48%. Student loan, minus $500 car loan plus insurance, minus $700. Food and household goods, minus $800. Have you seen the price of eggs yet? Utilities, phone, internet, minus $300. Health insurance, co-payment, minus $200. 401k retirement fund contribution. Company minimum contribution, minus $400. The math result, $5,833 minus $5,700 equals $133. You have $133 left. That is your wealth. One flat tire, one dental emergency, one friend's wedding invite, and you are in the red. This isn't living. This is indentured servitude with an iPhone. Now that I've terrified you, let's fix it. You cannot budget your way out of this. You cannot coupon your way to freedom. You have an income problem, not a spending problem. Step 1, mindset. Kill the loyalty. Stop waiting for a 3% raise. 3% is losing to inflation. If you aren't getting a 10% plus raise annually, you are taking a pay cut. If you have been in the same role for 2 years without a major promotion, you leave. Job hoppers increase their salary by 20-50%. Loyalists get scraps. Step 2, tactics, the over-employment framework. If you have a remote job, your time is your asset. Don't just sell your time to one bidder. Start a service business, consult, or build a digital product. You need to decouple your income from the number of hours you sit in a chair. Your side hustle must cover your rent, $2,800. Your salary is for investments. Step 3, optimization, tax loopholes. The biggest expense in the math section was taxes, $30K. W, 2 employees get screwed. Business owners get deductions. Start an LLC for your side hustle, right off your home office, your laptop, your business travel. Legal loophole. Stop paying taxes on gross income. Pay taxes on what's left after you spend. I can hear the voice in your head right now. But Gemini, $100K is a lot of money. Most people don't even make that. you're being out of touch. Or the classic, I just want a simple life. I don't care about being rich. You are confusing greed with survival. I am not telling you to buy a Lamborghini. I am telling you that the system is rigged to drain you dry if you stay at the $100K level. You say you want a simple life. There is nothing simple about stressing over rent. There is nothing simple about not being able to afford quality healthcare for your parents. Being content with $100K in 2026 is actually selfishness. It means you are one tragedy away from becoming a burden to everyone around you. You are not noble for staying poor, you are vulnerable. Here is the bottom line. The rules have changed, the goalpost has moved. The American dream now costs $250,000 a year, minimum. You have two choices today. Keep pretending it's 2015, cling to your good salary, and slowly drown as inflation rises. Accept the cold reality, get angry, and start playing the game aggressively. Do not like this video. Do not share it. Open an Excel sheet. Calculate your real net income after all fixed costs. Look at that final number. If it makes you sick to your stomach good, use that anger. The $100K poverty line is real. Which side of it will you be on?